My name is Ben Gromicko. I am from InterNACHI. That's the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. And this is a free live InterNACHI webinar. And tonight we are going to look at the top features of a home inspector's website. Every home inspector should have a website that's designed with about a dozen features that make them money. And so tonight we're going to cover a few of those, including SEO, chat, analytics, domain names, email addresses, scheduling, sample reports, software, conversion, and much more. Tonight's guest is Inspector Website Builder. Consider getting a new home inspector website designed by InterNACHI's official vendor for inspector website designs. And that's at nachi.org/website, nachi.org/website. And we secured a partnership with inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, to build websites exclusively for InterNACHI members. They don't build websites for anybody else, just InterNACHI members, at an affordable price, $299, a one-time design fee, and then you pay a low monthly fee for hosting. And this service provides InterNACHI members the ability to have a professional, modern website at an affordable price with no hidden fees or commitments. And Natasha Gromicko is the owner of inspectorwebsitebuilder.com. Alicia is a certified professional inspector through InterNACHI, and I am a consultant for the company. If you are a commercial property inspector, Inspector Website Builder builds commercial property inspection websites. And you can check out a template because they start building websites using a template as a starting point. And then they totally customize it to your brand, with your logo, your name, your services, your colors, the words you want to use, things like that. InterNACHI provides free inspection job leads to InterNACHI members who have websites. So you have to have a website, and then you update your InterNACHI membership profile with that website so we can send leads to you. And if you want more information about Inspector Website Builder, go to inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, and they have a bunch of Google reviews. You can take a look at look at the testimonials. So for more information and details, go to nachi.org/website, nachi.org/website. And that's at nachi.org/website. Okay, so let's hear from Natasha from Inspector Website Builder.
Hi all, I'm Natasha from Inspector Website Builder, and we are InterNACHI's official vendor for certified website designs. We design remarkable, affordable websites for InterNACHI members exclusively, and you can get a website design from us by going to nachi.org/websites, or you can visit our website directly at inspectorwebsitebuilder.com. Today, I'm super thankful and excited to be presenting on the key features of a home inspector website. And so I'm going to be using actually our homepage as my slides today. Our websites are designed based off of a template initially, and then we customize it to your branding with all of your business information, your logos, your sample reports, and all of the information you would like to add about your company. Our websites are designed on Wix.com, and this allows us to provide inspectors user-friendly websites that they can go in on their own account. They own and operate everything once we transfer the website to them, and it just makes it really seamless for both us and the inspector to have the best inspector website. Every inspector website needs to include SEO and analytics, and our websites are built and hosted with search engine optimization, which is SEO, and the tools to view your website analytics at any time within your own Wix account. So you can really unlock the power of the data with our integrated website analytic features, And with this design, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and all of your user behavior and traffic sources. You can really track the important metrics such as visitor traffic, any page views, how long they're on your website, and what they're interested in on your website. And you can really see conversion rates and where you need to improve on your website and what your clients are really looking for. By being able to access your visitor analytics, you can really harness the potential of this data-driven decision making to fuel your business and grow and stay ahead of the competition in your local area. Having both bookings and payment integrated right into your website allows for a seamless and streamlined booking process for both you and your potential clients. And you can really maximize this productivity and provide exceptional service with inspection bookings and payments right into your website. Our websites are also available for software integration. So we work with your software provider for sample reports and scheduling and payment systems, if that is what you prefer instead. And all we need is the embed code and the direct URL, and then we will just add that software right onto your website, and it's super easy. Your website is completely integrated with your InterNACHI profile. So this means that when you complete an inspection course with InterNACHI, your certification web seal logos will actually auto-populate right onto your website for you. And if you want other certification logos from other schools, no problem. We can definitely add those manually for you right onto the website. As you might know, Google reviews are an essential part of building trust with your potential clients, and having good quality reviews and displaying them on your website is an even better way to really build that trust up front. So we will actually embed your Google reviews right onto your website. We can do this manually. You can just email us the Google reviews and we'll put them right onto your website, or we can actually help you add a widget to your website, and so they can auto-populate whenever you get a Google review. It's connected to your free Google business profile. And so as soon as you get a Google review, they will pop up right onto your website displaying all of those really good quality reviews about your inspections. Most websites, you just operate from your laptop, from your computer, right on your desktop. But with our websites, we offer a website app for free included in your website. And so getting notified every time a potential client visits your website right on your mobile phone is super convenient. And this really allows you to communicate with your potential clients at any time, anywhere with our chat feature. And you can collect your website analytics and track your behavior right from your mobile phone as well. And that's not all. You can share your inspection content all over your social media platform, and it's really made easy with this website app, and it brings all of your content right together. Our websites come with a domain and company emails. So you can choose your domain name for your new website, and it's super easy and really fun through the Wix.com platform. And if you already have a domain, no worries. We can easily connect or transfer your domain right to your new website design. And if you would like a company email, this is also an option for an additional fee with Google Workspace, and it also integrates right into your Wix dashboard. Website security is essential, so Wix provides a free SSL certificate automatically for all of their websites, and SSL means a secure socket layer, or SSL certificate, and this really allows your site visitors to have a secure connection between the browser and the web address that they are visiting. If you also perform commercial inspections, we have a pre-designed page that we can add right onto your website, and we will include CCPIA information if you are certified with them, and we will also include the international standards of practice for inspecting commercial properties, and we also have a commercial sample report that we will add, but obviously you can send us your own as well. Our websites include edits and updates. Your website is built by a team of Wix trained and certified website designers, and we really work with you until you're happy with your website through a few rounds of edits, and these rounds depend on which plan you choose. And we are really here for you, so if you ever need us in the future, we are always available to assist you in any way possible. All right, your website, as I've mentioned before, includes a website chat feature. So as you can see here, we have on Inspector Website Builder, we have our website with our pre-chat forms right here, and this will be on your website as well. This is included in the Pro plan, and so you can just head over to our pricing plans to see the features included in each plan. This chat feature really allows you to seamlessly communicate with your visitors, and it really improves the customer satisfaction as you are engaging with them all the time when they're on your website. Our websites, as I have mentioned before, integrate with your software, so you can really simplify appointment scheduling and payments while integrating to your preferred software providers. And we really understand this importance of the seamless online scheduling and payments, so we make it super easy. All we need, again, is that embed code from your software provider, and we got you. We'll set it up onto your website. Our websites come with a blog page if you would like, and this really helps engage your clients or your potential clients with your content. And it's really made easy paired with the Wix Owners app, so you can be on the job taking some photos, writing up a quick blog post, and posting on your mobile phone. And yeah, we really love the blog. You can always go to internachi.org and use any of their content if you need for your blog. And lastly, we are trusted by our industry's leaders. So from the renowned InterNACHI House of Horrors to the captivating InterNACHI newsletter website, our portfolio really showcases our commitment and remarkable website designs in the home inspection industry. And you can also check out BigBenInspections.com. We also designed his website. He's really proud of it. And yeah, we just love working with InterNACHI members and the InterNACHI team. So thank you so much for listening, and I am really excited to design your website soon. So head over to internachi.org/websites for an inspector website today. Thank you all.
Awesome. Thanks, Natasha. And that website, again, on InterNACHI's website is nachi.org/website, nachi.org, nachi.org/website for details. Or just go to Google right now and Google inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, inspectorwebsitebuilder.com. And that is the InterNACHI webinar featuring the website designs that are available for InterNACHI members through our partner, Inspector Website Builder. So thank you, Inspector Website Builder, and thank you all for joining the InterNACHI webinar. I'm Ben Gromicko from InterNACHI. I'll see you on the next webinar. Bye.